Okay, so I thought I would make a quick video. Sorry if this is a little overexposed because it's hard to gauge what I should turn my phone brightness down to. But anyway, what's happening right now is I'm in the Govee Home app, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it so Siri can actually control your Govee products. Okay, so first of all, I have the Govee smart light bulb. If you want to see me unbox it, I actually unbox it on my other YouTube channel, Endless Unboxing. It's literally just an unboxing channel. Well, anyway, here's what we need to do. That should work for 2025, 2026, and onwards until Govee decide that they want to make their app look different again. What we're going to do is go down here, okay? The second option. So home is where you are by default, and then one over to the right is where we need to go, okay? And then once you're here, what you want to do is click up here, these four little icon symbol things, okay? And then you want to click on tap to run, okay? And then once you click tap to run, you then proceed to hit create, then name the thing, select the action, and all that stuff, the different actions you can do. Mine is, like I said, a smart bulb, so it has actions based on that. Then you would normally save it, but we already got what we need, okay? And then as soon as you do, because we created a Govee lights on, Govee lights off thing, it lets you hit add to Siri. So then you hit add to Siri, and then you can change the phrase if you want. So what we're going to do is we are going to hit change word phrase, and we just are going to say lights on. Okay, it was actually listening to me. So let me go ahead and do it real quick. And then I hit done, and then now whenever I say lights on to her, what will happen is whenever I say lights on to Siri, we'll turn the Govee lights on. Whenever I say lights off, well, I gotta set this real quick. I set it the same way, just hit add to Siri. And then, of course, we hit change, and then we hit done, and there we go. It runs exactly how we need it to, plain and simple. Like I said, this could be updated again in the future. Govee have been known to do that from time to time. But there you go. Hopefully you found this helpful in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.